All clear. And you're right on the Star Trek Tower.
Let's see what you.
We're right over by there. Yeah, by the number.
We're going.
You want to go there?
Yeah.
Closer. Next time you should come over here. That's the one we kind of got over there, right? And the water park's huge too, huh?
Hey.
There's so many. There's the Batman, there's Superman, there's the Joker. Oh, there's something right here. Oh, yeah. We should have come.
We see the
That's our turn. We'll have to go back around for the end of
Yeah, please remain seated.
Sit down.
Yeah.
Sit down.
There's a street. Yep.
I see our car.
Like me too.
Okay, when we go back around, I'll show you.
We're like so big.
Oh, you don't know, right?
They don't say that.
No.
Look, there's kitty rides over there. They don't even get Toy Story over here. For Price Fest? Alina, you've come for Price Fest. Yeah. It's really nice to see like a whole like it's really nice.
Oh,
Do you think they should
maybe I'll be healed by then.
I'm sure you will. Hopefully not. Yeah, see? I mean, that's refillable, guys.
We're waiting in line for a bit, so which one?
Daddy's gonna take the pink water. You're gonna go get on the lazy river over there.
That's so
That's the blue. That's kind of our look. You see that? I know. Demon.
We went to the truck.
You don't like to see there has to be.
I don't got a water log or a ride here. Did something wrong.
Yeah, right over there. Kind of like this one over there. The one that's over
Oh,
there.
now you see the
I
demon?
know, like, once you're up there.
It's right over there. Everybody see like flash to the left of it? That's the entrance. It's supposed to be a splash down.
What's the flash? The red and yellow?
Yeah, it's right to the left of it. That's the entrance.
It's not, but it's just because you can see like do that, and then all you see is like your little feet dangling. Like right now, if you were to see like your feet dangling, that's like once it
Take him to the park.
whatever you want. I don't want you to be bored either. For me, it's big. I mean, all people are getting out, right? Batman and
The purchase.
It's like my right. Well, you guys have
There's four. There's four goes up to four.
So, Julie can ride with her. Man, that's a long water right here. How would you know?
You scare me. Is Max Force
I like the water.
It's not. Honestly, this is so hard. It's all
It's stupid, right? It
Get on
literally,
those? Yeah, we got all those.
90 minutes.
Ow.
I mean, this
Yeah, this one time I got stuck on. Me and my friend, they said it was like a 30-minute wait. We're like, okay, that's like very fast for that.
I want to go this way now.
We went on it.
No.
They lied to us. It was like an hour.
No.
And then like it got stuck.
but it's literally a
Ow.
I'm gonna go to the water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, so what's that noise?
It's that one.
Keep
All the
hearing it.
noise.
Yeah.
Where's the, is this like for the toddlers or anywhere more than just one?
Yeah, but I don't think that
Welcome back. As the ride comes to an end, please remain seated until the ride comes to a fully complete stop. Again, please remain seated until the ride comes to a
That's the one
fully
they're saying
complete
they want
stop.
to get on.
When the ride stops, please remember to pick up any loose articles that you brought with you and exit towards Maxport. Again, please remember to pick up any loose articles that you brought with you and exit towards Maxport. Have a great rest of your day here at Green America.
doesn't need the wheelchair.
That's not small.